as she's sticking her paw in the water. Meanwhile, Lee is eating his beef, turkey, chicken flavor farmer's dog mix. And why is Kay sticking her paw in the water while she's drinking it? This is a very interesting phenomenon. She's sticking her whole face in the water. This is a very interesting phenomenon. We're gonna have to get her a dog pool since she likes being in the water and put her whole face in it. She's standing in the water. Lee, like, I ain't trying to drink that. You just had your feet in it. It's bedtime on day 10. I've kept him alive for 10 days by myself. Going into day 11. Lee trying to get something to drink. She blocking. She's agua blocking. They have their goat's milk to the left and their chicken, turkey, beef mix, farmer's dog. And Lee appears to be trying to be getting some water, and he finally gets a chance to get some. And look at this guy. She's sticking her paw in the water. I wish I knew why. Like, was she curious about that she's sticking her paw in the water? Now she's biting the... Is she trying to see where the water's coming from? I don't understand. They're in their playpen because it's bedtime. Bedtime? Good night from Yorkie Poo 365, day 10.